So today I've come to West Park, Long Eaton, just at the Long Eaton Rugby Club. No one here today, it's Thursday. Some nice park benches here. I'm going to park myself on one of these and try out my new drone for the first time. I've got the DJI Neo. It's a very small, very lightweight beginner's drone. Not sure if it's going to be too windy for it though or not. Let's find out.
Rocket. Spotlight. Direction trap. Follow. Droney. Circle. Rocket.
I'm not sure how to use it yet. So I've got it set to rocket.
4 meters. Rocket. 3, 2, 1.
There we go. Whoa. Wow, that was unnerving. Let's see what footage we got from that. Wow. So that was a couple of shots, just without using a controller, without using the phone. You just press a button on the drone and it does its thing. So we did the, I forget what the first one was called, rocket, where it just shoots up in the air, and I've done the circle mode, where it circles around you. Next I might try the follow me mode and have a little walk around, see if it follows me. Yeah, let's try it. So that was the follow me, got that working alright. Next I'm going to try, press tap start button, take off and start recording. Controls, press start button, up, we're off, controls. Yeah, so I'm not sure what's happening here. How do I get the controls up? There we go. Up. Up. I think it might be a tad too windy. try this. Check status of device hardware. Check the altitude. Switch between video, quick shots and panorama. Takeoff permitted. God knows. How'd you get out of this? Right, so there we go. Right then, so let's have a look here. Video, quick shots, unable to right, okay. Let's get this party started. Well, that was fun. Quite difficult. See what the footage looks like. So that was my first flight of my DJI Neo drone, little pocket rocket. Quite impressed with it. It was easy, nice and easy to use. A little bit of a wind in the air and it handled very well. I'm not going to overdo it today. I just wanted to come out and see what it was like, get to grips with it. I've had a little play with it. I've not even used one battery. I've got 3 batteries with it. So yeah, the more practice I get, the better I'll get at it. But yeah, enjoyed that. First flight successful and very impressed. There it is, fits in the palm of my hand, very light. That's with the battery. I think it's 135 grams. So yeah, not much to carry in the backpack. Trying to stay as light as possible.